So you might be in a weird situation where for some reason your Meta Quest 3 is just not charging. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. If you go ahead and make your way over to the side of your Meta Quest 3 though, you will go ahead and see your charging port. So what this charging port does is it allows you to plug in your USB-C port and you can go ahead and charge up this headset literally just by plugging this thing in. Now, if this headset is not charged up and if it's not charging, sometimes this can be the problem. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing is grabbing your charging cord, whichever charging cord you have, which is a USB-C, and plug it into this specific port. Now, if you plug it in and there's no indicator or no indication that this thing is charging, chances are this thing may not actually be charging. So your best bet in this specific situation is to go ahead and just make sure that this specific device is actually plugged in on the other side. So make sure that whatever this is plugged into, this specific cord right here, that it's plugged into a wall outlet, another thing, whatever the case is. The headset right now is just too new for it to probably be having some charging issues. Now it could, who knows. But your best bet is to just double check and try troubleshooting the wire itself. Now on top of that, making sure that the wire is in good condition and the other end of this wire is actually plugged into a device that can actually output it at a decent rate, that is going to be the number one thing you can do. Now, if for some reason you do that and that's still not working, and you can verify that this wire is actually working, you may just want to go ahead and unplug this specific charger from this headset. Go ahead and basically turn it around. Try seeing if there's anything stuck with or lodged within this USB-C port, and try plugging this thing back in. Chances are, if you literally do that, it may just end up working on its own, and that may end up fixing the problem as well. If that's still not working, try using a different cord. Try, adjusting the way it's plugged in. Sometimes that can also be an issue. And those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix this. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.